morning. Let's talk a little bit about service calls this morning. We get phone calls or we hear advertisements, I'm sure you have too on the radio, TV, whatever, about very inexpensive service calls. We'll come out to your house for $25. We'll come out to your house for $45. We charge $90 for a service call currently. And when we roll out to the house, we're going to look at everything. We're going to test your water. But we're not going to go through the unit and try and sell you something that is not worn out, does not need to be replaced or anything else. So you can have peace of mind that, yes, we charge more maybe for a service call than some companies, quite a bit less than other companies. But when we get there, we're not going to just replace parts just to replace, because our service technician is on commission and has to do something to make money because he rolled to your house so inexpensively. So again, when you call us, we'll roll to the house, take care of everything you've got. If something does need to be replaced, we'll point it out to you and let you decide. But 99% of the time, nothing needs to be done. We go through the equipment, we check it, we maybe make an adjustment, and that's all there is to it. Thank you.